Voy a hablar enteramente en inglés este video.
I know.
Yeah, so.
But I can answer in Spanish too.
No, you cannot.
No.
You cannot answer in Spanish. Hi guys, my name is Indigo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today is a very special day because it is Mother's Day after all. I have a very special guest for today.
Daddy, I'm ready. My face is clean, I'm ready to go.
You're not even in the frame.
Hi everyone.
If you guys haven't noticed by now, this is my mom.
Hi everyone.
Due to the whole kind of like pandemic thing, my mom is visiting us because we did not want her to be alone during these times. So that is why she is here in California with us. Today, we're gonna turn my mom into an IG baddie.
Oh.
Or a chola, ¿qué quieres? Like, what do you want? A chola?
No.
No, like the skinny brows, we're gonna make it like a
I
chola.
don't know, you're the artist.
This is actually my first time I've ever done makeup on somebody else, so this will actually be a challenge for me, and we will see if this will actually turn out good. Let's get started.
Pero así todo el tiempo. Sin nada de maquillaje, like for real?
Well, we're about to put makeup on you right now. Okay, so we've gone ahead and already washed her face and primed it, so we are good to go now. We're gonna start...
¿Dónde es que tengo que mirar?
Right here.
Okay.
Yes. We're gonna start off with the base right now. So when you were growing up, how hard was it to learn English?
If I learn English.
If you learned English.
I just defend myself, let's put it that way.
You defended yourself?
Yes.
How was school in America compared to Colombia?
Well, it's different because we grew up there and here is a different challenge.
Mm-hmm.
But different, not difficult, it's different.
Did you ever get like bullied for like only speaking Spanish, having like an accent?
I just embraced it good.
Yeah, you've never really cared about what people have to say about you. Like you always just kind of like...
And then I show you that too, so...
Yeah, and even if they do, you still laugh at it. Like you don't really ever let it get to you.
Well, life is short, and
Yeah.
then you have to embrace it and just keep moving. So I show you that, and I show Vanessa the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
So...
I think you're actually the person that I get my humor the most from.
For real.
We
You
are-
got it from me, because
We
that
are
is not
weird.
like that. That is so...
No,
That
yeah.
is very square like Vanessa.
Yeah.
And we're the crazy, the goofiest one of the family.
And speaking of dad, how did you guys meet again?
Oh, we meet when I was 15.
Wow.
So we're together for the past 30 years.
Whew. That is actually crazy because I have very not obviously met somebody when I was 15.
But you will.
That's nice. No, I won't.
Yeah, just use a lot of that because I don't want any wrinkle in my video.
You honestly don't have a lot of wrinkles at all.
But it's because this lighting is good.
No, it's because the Colombian genes popped out.
Oh yeah.
So like growing up, you didn't really have many experiences with other guys, or like was like dad was like the only guy that you... Dime chisme, like...
I'm gonna tell you, he's the only one and only one.
Wow. Are you serious? Oh, that's actually really cute.
What do you mean? Like, for real?
Well, you know, like some of us have to date a couple of people before
I
finding
mean,
that
Daddy went
person.
well, we grew up together. I was 15 and he was 16. And we just grew up together. Daddy doesn't even have to talk. Sometimes I just know him so well. Well, he has to be that way so that way I can talk.
Talk, yeah, exactly.
For
Polar
real.
opposites, but they
For
work.
real,
They
for
really did
real.
work. So when you guys had met, you guys had always liked each other like from the beginning, or like how did that?
I didn't like him at all because he looked so like handsome but so serious, and I was like, I know, it's not my type.
I can't find my Fenty Beauty setting powder, so we're just gonna use some Airspun. This smells like old lady. I don't like it, but it works, so it doesn't matter.
As long as I look pretty, I
Period.
can with
Tell
the smell.
them. We're gonna use a lot more than normal because we are on camera after all. So when you guys had Vanessa, you guys actually only had plans to have one child, right? Mm-hmm. And then what happened?
And then Vanessa started to cry it out when she was like
How many years?
7. She
8.
started crying out. No, Vanessa started crying out when she was 7.
Oh.
For a whole year. And we got a dog. And that is not what she was looking, you know, like that was not her expectations. And she continued to cry it out. And I was like, okay.
And then
she was like, Mommy, give me a baby brother, baby sister, I don't care. And then you came to life.
and it's funny because I still ended up being a dog.
And
I guess you could technically say that I owe her my life, because if it wasn't for her, I would not be
for
here.
real.
I do not blame you. I don't want children. I know we always have this conversation, but I really think that I'm never gonna have children because
Were you too young?
Yeah, but even when I'm I feel 32 on the inside, so quite frankly, I have zero plans.
That is the beauty of you, because you never know what to expect with you.
Yeah.
Like, it's so crazy or it's so mature.
But it's because, like, we always had to, we had to grow up adapting 24/7.
True.
And then having, like, a sister that's also, what, 8 years older than me?
Yep.
8 years older than me. Didn't help. I was always around people who were much older than me, and it just kind of became like a habit. Even now, like, a lot of my friends are, I think the youngest friend that I really have besides Arlene and Ashley is 22. Because I just cannot stand the immaturity of younger people. It makes me so angry.
We are mature, but at the same time, we just have fun of the situation.
Yeah, we're mature in a very immature way. I'm gonna start putting on my favorite blush on her. We'll see how this looks. Yeah, I think that's the biggest lesson that you guys have taught me is, like, it can be rough, but at the end of the day, don't take it too seriously. Just kind of, like, laugh through it.
Because life changes in a minute, in a day.
Everything will be fine. My biggest reason why you're such a, like, big inspiration to me, because you never really, like, show, like, fear or anything. You always just laugh everything off. And I guess I'm like the same way for the majority of the time. Just, like, such a great approach at life. Tell them how old you are.
I'm not that. That is not to say to everyone. No kidding. 49.
49. But you don't look like it. We're gonna start bronzing because we need some bronzer up in here. Just look straight forward.
It's because I'm not famous, you know?
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
not used to.
There's a video that I should have edited like 2 weeks ago, and if you guys were to see her personality there, she's lying. So growing up, obviously you had Theo Jorge.
Yeah.
So how was that? Did you ever find him, like, annoying? What was, like, your dynamic growing up?
I'm the protected one. I'm the one that I always protect my family. My brother is a year older than me. So I was the one who protected him.
He's 50?
He's 50.
Wow! He does not look 50 at all. That is very true. That's something about our family. Like, all of us, especially on your side, are just so, like, bubbly and ditzy, but it's, like, in a good way.
Yeah.
Despite, like, always going through such, like, tough times, because neither sides of our family have had it easy. We've always just had, like, that dumb smirk on her face, always ready to make a joke.
Giorgio has more goofy side than us.
Oh, yeah.
For real, right? One day you should do his makeup.
And he would. He absolutely would. So my mom has a very interesting profession. She is a massage therapist, but, like, a medical massage therapist. So basically, it's like a chiropractor, but on crack.
I am a massage therapist, but my specialty is medical massage. Like when somebody has an issue with the back, any problem. But right now, it's like people have plastic surgery done.
Wait, oh my gosh, your skin looks so good.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Just thanks to you, you know?
You snap.
Thank you. At the end of the day, my patients love me because I just, like, do the body contouring and
that is true. I don't think there's a single patient that you had that has not become your friend to an extent.
Exactly.
By the way, we're doing the brows right now. We're going to be using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in shade 6.
That one.
You guys already know that brows are not my specialty. I went home for this challenge. So if I get them wrong this time, y'all already know.
That one?
You know, I feel like her brows, I've gotten really used to her brows on her face frame, so I don't really want to mess around with them too much.
No,
I'm just gonna
please.
darken them.
I would.
No, please. So growing up, was I a bad child?
Yes, don't. I have to admit it. You was a woodpecker. Like, I want this, no later, no tomorrow.
But that's also how I've gotten this far. Because when I want something, I get it. As you guys can tell by the pink wig. Okay, those brows are not siblings, but it's fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I have no idea what color I'm gonna do. We are gonna use the same way that I did for my drag transformation. So what colors do you want, Mom?
I don't know those things.
But there's none of them that you like?
Oh, okay, the brown, I guess.
The brown? My mom was, like, the hugest Madonna stan growing up. I was always obsessed with her. I'm gonna do, like, a very bright blue Eyeshadow, that'd be fun.
That would be fun.
With that wig, I'm down. Like a David Bowie Madonna type moment.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Alright, y'all, wish me luck because this is the first time I've ever done a cut crease on anybody else in my life. Y'all, should I really test my luck? I don't know if I want to do like a cut crease. I'm kind of scared. This is lipstick.
You put lipstick on my eye?
Yeah.
Just remember, since you was little, you've been an artist. You got that transition a year ago, but you've been an artist since I have memory.
True. This is true.
Since you was little, I have pictures of you. Oh, those are
No.
those
No.
are good
No.
pictures. Those are good pictures, you know.
They're not good pictures.
Oh, and especially remember.
We are not showing that picture to the internet.
Remember when we went to the river in Oregon?
We're not gonna talk about.
I have to put that so safe because you wanna just rip it and put it in the garbage can.
As I should.
I'm gonna sell that later on.
I cannot wait. Theo and Dad used to always go whitewater rafting back in Oregon, by the way. This is in Oregon.
Yeah.
That was not fun at all. I don't even remember exactly what happened, but I remember like having to wait for hours.
Oh my god.
Felt
that
like
was so
days. So going back to you being a really nice person, do you think that's a weakness or, you know, like a strength?
The Lord created me that way. Just put it that way. So no, it's not a weakness on my side. No, I don't see it that way.
I'm about to do eyeliner for the first time on somebody else. I'm not excited. Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! For my first time doing this on somebody else, I'm not disappointed at all. Hold up, so what was your first reaction when I got into makeup? I know that it was really positive. Because like the first time I turned into like a demon mermaid.
Oh, that's true. When you showed me that particular picture, I was like shocking. I know about your talent, but I didn't know how good you was. And I was like so happy that you find your way about to express yourself as an artist.
This should be really interesting because I'm applying fake lashes on my mom for the first time. Have you ever worn fake lashes?
Never.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you snapped.
Thank you.
So we're gonna do the other eye with camera and we'll be right back. I tried to make the eyeshadow as even as possible, but sometimes things just don't work. We're gonna do the lips now, it doesn't matter. So next I'm gonna use the ColourPop BFF lip liner number 3. And then we're gonna go with the why are you doing that face? You look like you're being like set into the rapture. Now we're gonna be using the Kylie Jenner One Wish lip kit. Oh my god, how am I gonna do a lip ombre? Okay, so we're gonna go and put the final outfit on and the wig, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, y'all, we are back with the final transformation. I'm gonna show you guys the entire outfit, but for now,
Queen montage.
no, we're not cueing the montage yet. Why does she actually look like me? How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel so proud of you, and I just want to say thank you for being my son.
Thank you for being my mom, mommy. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more videos with my mom, let us know, because if we're gonna film anything, it has to be right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram down below if you don't already, and I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye. Cue the montage.
No. We're gonna say like, si necesita reggaeton, dale.